La muerte.
Oh yeah.
Good.
That's exactly what I needed.
Just when you thought you knew all the egg recipes, there's one that I'm sure you haven't heard of. It's called Huevos A La Copa. It's a Chilean traditional breakfast dish. It's basically soft-boiled eggs with toast, salt, and pepper. Very simple, but it's delicious. Let's get to it. It's going to be eggs, toast, salt, and pepper. Use this poker to keep the eggs from exploding once they're dunked in the boiling water. Set a pot to a rolling boil, dunk in the eggs, and cook for exactly 5 minutes at sea level. Meanwhile, prepare the ice bath and the toast. When the timer is up, shock the eggs in the ice bath to stop the cooking process. Chop up the toast into cubes, put in a bowl. It's helpful to have an egg cutter like the one shown. Then proceed to cut the tops off and scoop out all the eggs into the toast bowl. Season with salt, pepper, hot sauce, whatever you like. Enjoy. Moment of truth.
All right, going in for the initial taste test. Let's see what's going on. That's solid for sure. Turn up a notch. Add some hot sauce Tabasco.
I'm going to introduce you as my cousin-in-law.
All right, I ran all the way here from the United States in Thailand to have Huevos A La Copa because my Chilean wife not interested in making it for me.
Oh,
Thank you, Andres.
good as far as eggs go. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Moment of truth for Itaya.
Huevos a la copa. La muerte.
Excellent. Just like back home in Chile.
You won.
Igual. Gracias, prima.